Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to Temibecky's kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make IJEBU GARI right inside my kitchen. Stay tuned and let's get started. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your love. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like this video if you love what you are seeing and subscribe. So stay tuned. So here are my cassava. So to make IJEBU GARI, you need cassava. So I'll cut it into two. Here is my cassava peel, and I'm going to wash it and use my juicer as a blender. So guys, continue washing please. So guys, this is the first batch. Can you see how it look like? Wow. So here is the cassava. Right now I'm going to put it in my Muslim bag. A white pillow. You can use a white pillow because here I use a white pillow that I use for my corn or akam. So if you have not seen the video, you can also watch it. So this is the way I will leave it for the next 5 days, guys. You can see the way I arrange it. My kitchen is so small, but this is the way I can arrange it to let the water come out, you know. So this is the 5th day, and right now I'm about to prepare my gari. Gari oloyo, gari IJEBU. Alright guys, so this is how. So I have to do this part because I just want to it's necessary to do it because it gives that gari the smooth part that you want, you know. Look at the shaft that I brought out of the. So now I'm going to fry it. To fry my gari, I'll be using my frying pan. No oil, please. If you are not making IJEBU GARI, no oil in IJEBU GARI. So guys, thanks for watching. We are almost there. This is the last batch of our IJEBU GARI, the frying stage. So right now I am done. Can you see how smooth the gari is? Wow, I say kudos to those women in the village. This is the end result of my gari. If you love this video, guys, please kindly press that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next one. Bye.